A difference marker is a visual element used to clearly show the difference between two data points on a chart. Instead of just showing two bars or points, the difference marker explicitly draws the gap between them. This instantly tells the story of performance. Are we above or below target, and by how much? XLBuddy allows you to add multiple difference markers on the same chart, depending on your specific needs. It may be useful if you want to compare different periods or categories of data without creating a dedicated visual. Adding a difference marker is a straightforward process, but it requires a chart that is set up for comparison. Once you have it, select it and click the difference marker button. The task pane will appear. There, you need to select 2 points, which we will compare. First point is the original, earlier data point. Second point is the comparable data point. If you want to compare how June results were versus April, April will be a first point and June will be a second point. Once you select the specific points to compare, choose what kind of variance do you want, relative or absolute, and select variance color treatment. If increase in value is good or bad, or perhaps neutral. When all is set, click Create button. As you can see, the difference marker immediately provides an information about our performance, how we did, was it good or bad, and by how much. To edit a difference marker, simply select a chart with it and click Edit button. The dedicated task pane allows you to modify various settings. To proceed, you need to select the specific difference marker that you want to edit, and then all available options will enable themselves. The task pane allows you to change points that are compared in case the data changed or you made a mistake during creation. Move in, out. Delete the difference marker. Useful if you have a few markers and you want to make sure they do not overlap each other. Change variance treatment. Change label font size and position. Modify absolute label, for example, add, remove, edit number format, or highlight it. Modify relative label. By tweaking these settings, you can modify the original, very simple difference marker to whatever you need. We hope that you now have a clear understanding of difference markers and feel confident using them to make the variances in your data instantly clear. Getting a good grasp on this tool is a key step toward creating highly professional and insightful reports.